Hi, this is Raksil and I daily upload custom ROM review, custom ROM flashing guide, and if you enjoy watching content like this, then consider subscribing the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new video in the future. Alright, let's get going. Okay, let me show you the boot animation. Let's restart. And here we have OnePlus logo. This is the boot animation, right? Cyberpunk McLaren edition. But here you can see the fingerprint is, it works on high brightness, but if we lower the brightness, it won't recognize. The fingerprint won't recognize. So you need to max the brightness. There you go. This is how it works, right? And we do have here Dolby Atmos, right? And this is not camera. We don't get camera here, okay? This is Google camera I installed here. And safety net is also passed without magics. There you go. Safety net is passed, right? Your HT1913. That is the model name of this device, right? This is no more K20 Pro, okay? This is OnePlus 70 Pro, as you can see. OnePlus 70 Pro device name. And processor Snapdragon 855 plus, storage 6GB RAM plus 128GB ROM, camera 48-16 8 megapixel triple camera, and the screen is 6.67 90Hz fluid display. This is no more 60Hz display. We have overclocked this refresh rate, right? Sorry, that's a joke. This is just the number, okay? If you go to DRM, here you can see the refresh rate is only 60, okay? Because K20 Pro display is only 60Hz, and we do have L1 security level L1, so this is a good thing to have. And the Android version is 11, security update October, kernel GenOS, build number Evelyn Luna, and this is built by Team Evelyn. Please do support them, okay? And we do have Antutu benchmark here, 5.58364. That is the score, right? This is pretty good. Hey, what happened? Okay, I don't know what happened. It just rebooted. Restart? Did I press something? No, I didn't, right? I will have to watch the video replay. Okay, there is some bugs in this custom ROM, okay? This is not so stable to use as your daily driver. I will not recommend you to use this custom ROM as your daily driver, because this ROM is quite interesting, but you do have some bug here, okay? There you go, there is some bug. I will show you customization. And we do have McLaren theme here. This is how it looks. And on the left side you have never settle, toolbox, step counter, recent application, dashboard, right? And if we go to home setting, this is OnePlus launcher, right? Double tap to lock. on a blank screen. Quick search gesture. Save. Okay. Okay, it works. Hey. Okay, this is how it looks, right? This is cool. And if we go to Play Store settings, about we have device is certified, right? That is good. We have OnePlus switch, file manager. If we go to file manager, not this one, this file manager, as you can see, OnePlus 70 Pro, right? Your phone is no more K20 Pro, right? Forget about K20 Pro. This is no more K20 Pro. This is OnePlus 70 Pro, and this is the Geekbench score. Let me show you guys. Single score 724 and the multi score 2474, right? That is good, not so bad score for not heavy games. It is good, and this is the Dolby Atmos, right? Bass enhancer, movie music, you can turn on, turn off this one, right? Let's try this Dolby music. This is with Dolby Atmos. Alright, the sound is good. And what do in settings, you do have, this is the same settings that you get in OnePlus 70 Pro, because this ROM is ported from OnePlus 70 Pro, right? And this is the OxygenOS. So the settings and UI are same as you get in OnePlus device, right? You do have buttons and gesture, navigation bar. Here you can hide the bar, this gesture bar here, right? Hide the bottom bar, you can hide this one, and this is cool, right? You have quick gesture, 3-finger screenshot, it's working. Raise to answer or switch, right? I have enabled this one. You just need to take your phone near your ear, or just like do like this, and the call will automatically answer, right? Mute, flip to mute incoming call, right? Like this gesture. This is pretty cool. And okay, you do see this one, it just, this is bug, right? You saw that, right? Where was I? In customization? No. Buttons and gesture, right? Here, settings keep, here settings keep stopping, right? Okay, so these are the bugs you get in this custom ROM. You can pretty play with this bug, and it's really fun, I guess. You can try. What do we have here? Customization and wallpaper. You do have wallpapers you get in OnePlus, right? These are the wallpapers you get in OnePlus. This is dope though. Yup. What is this canvas? Hey, why black? Why is this black? Can anyone tell me why is this black? Is this online? My data is on. Okay, canvas keeps stopping. Alright. One more bug we got there. How many bugs? 2, 3? 3, right? First my phone restarted, and the second here, customization, buttons and gesture, and now the wallpaper, right? We got 3 bugs, right? Now let's see. Customization, we do have clock on ambient display, right? Always on display. Let me turn on the, okay, let's check out the, wait, always on display, all day, yeah, all day. Okay, this is looking, Okay, how is this looking? Tell me. Whatever. Let's go horizon line. This is the light. You get red, gold, purple, right, for your notification, right? And vision comfort, you can enable this ever. This will adjust the color to, okay, to satisfy, to comfort your vision, right? Advanced, we do have screen calibration, natural, advanced, AMOLED, white, gamut, sRGB, display P3, right? I like natural. Natural is always the best beauty, right? Let's go to customization, and we do have icon packs: McLaren, round, square, and oxygen, hydrogen. Customization, you do have accent color, right? Whatever, you do have system icons, right? Round, square, teardrop, round, triangles, whatever this is. Battery, in battery view details, right? You don't have that. You can see the how much the application has consumed your battery, but it doesn't show for how long the app has been used, right? This is another bug, right? We got how many bugs? 4, right? Okay. Utilities, right? Quick launch. Turn on quick launch. Long press the fingerprint identification area to launch quick pay or activate apps when the phone is locked, right? Okay, I don't need this. OnePlus switch, parallel apps. Okay, you can clone application here, right? Let me clone. Parallel Telegram has been created. Now here you can see we have now 2 Telegram here. App locker, right? You can lock application, right? Let me put my pin code. Hide notification content and application. I don't have any privacy here. I don't watch porn stuff. Experience improvement programs. No plus notification. Alright, let's check the quick settings, right? Here we have vision comfort, switch data, OTG, invert colors, Dolby Atmos. Let's check out the widgets here. What do we have? Okay, clock is like this. Okay, this is the minimal. Gen mode. Okay, this is the Gen mode, right? When you start this, once you start this, if you enable 1 minute, if you select 1 minute, 20 minute, any minute, once you start this, you won't be able to do anything with your phone, right? Once the Gen mode has started, you cannot do anything here. See. The, even if the screen is locked, it's still running, right? This is Gen mode. Keep going, you're almost done, right? Yeah, I can stay away for 1 minute. That is easy peasy for anyone, but not for 30 minutes. Hey. Hacha. Okay, this is how it looks, right? The home screen. You do have these widgets that you get in OnePlus, never settle. This is sound search. for your music, Google Lens. Okay, now let's move to installation process, how you can install this custom ROM, and I have show you what are the bug of this custom ROM, right? And you can make the choice to install this custom ROM or not. That is up to you, right? Now, before we start flashing this custom ROM, before we start this OxygenOS port Luna Android 11, let me show you the flashing instruction, right? You should read the instruction before you flash any custom ROM. So these are the instruction. Okay, what do we need here? Android 11 firmware, VV meta, image if you are coming from MIUI or you got stuck in fastboot, right? Use unofficial Orange Fox recovery if you are coming from Android 12 custom ROM, right? Wipe all partitions except internal storage. Flash Android 11 firmware latest of your device region. Flash the latest ROM zip file. Flash BB meta if only you are coming from MIUI ROM, right? Flash DFE to disable encryption, that is optional. Reboot to system, that's it, right? Okay, note, if your phone does not boot and is stuck at boot loop, format, not wipe data, format data, and reboot as you were probably encrypted before coming to OOS. If it's stuck at fast boot, then you are a... No, I'm not dumbass, okay? Let's go and flash this custom ROM. Should I? I have already flashed this custom ROM. Why should I flash my new OnePlus device, right? It's beautiful, right? My OnePlus Pro. You want it? This is McLaren edition. 60,000 INR in India. And in America, $500 only. You can order this phone. Link in the description. Have a good day. Peace out. Goodbye. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy watching content like this, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new video in the future, right? Thank you. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.